I almost gave up on this eye look midway. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And this look has a little story behind it. So while creating this eye look, I went through a lot of self-doubt because what I had planned in my mind, this look is not going according to my plan. Now what I actually mean here is this isn't a look people usually carry. It's bold, it's smoky, it's black. Black eyeshadow is honestly one of the most difficult colors to work with because it's very dark and intense. It doesn't blend as easily as lighter shades. So when I started blending, the look looked really bad. My eyes literally looked like a panda. You will see in the upcoming clip. At that stage, it felt messy and unprofessional. And that's completely normal with black eyeshadows. So at this point, I stopped filming because it didn't feel right to record. The look wasn't perfect yet. It is not coming the way I thought it would look. I turned off my camera, but then I picked up my brush again and started blending all over. In the back end, I am doing all the blending. That's why this is the transition you have seen in this video because I didn't record that part because initially I wasn't planning to upload this look. But as I kept going and added more elements, especially the glitters, everything started coming together. You know, glitters have that magic, they instantly make everything look more beautiful. Once I added the lashes and did a cleanup, the entire look finally came together. This is not a tutorial and it's not perfect yet, but still, I just came here to share a little personal story because even as a professional, I make mistakes, I doubt myself, and I'm still learning every single day. Nobody is perfect, and I'll keep learning from my mistakes. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.